Well, everybody, got another little project to do, and I don't know if you all know this, but I like to be on the water. And so my wife and I, we bought this 1987 Marinette 32. We're up here in Evansville, Indiana, and we've been doing some maintenance on this boat for the last couple days. And we're getting ready to go about 155 miles with it down the Ohio River. Got some extra gas cans, a couple kayaks just in case. It's Marinette 32. If you don't know about these boats, they're made and produced and manufactured in Louisville, Kentucky. And they're all aluminum. And they're tough as nails. They're super light. Their draft is about 2.5 feet. And Marinette used to advertise you can take a 38 caliber pistol, stand 10 feet away, and shoot the hole, and it would not penetrate the aluminum. The aluminum it's almost a 1/4 inch thick, so it's super thick on the whole side. So anyhow, we're gonna be checking out of here at 6 a.m. in the morning and heading south. Worst thing is, it's gonna be 98 degrees tomorrow. But we're hopefully gonna be all set. We got everything going as it should. Engines have been checked out. Did a lot of maintenance on those. It's got velvet drives, and we are going to be changing the name. A great couple here in Evansville, Dale and Sharon. They was the previous owners, and they was sharing a lot of fun. But now it's going to be called Fit for a King. So anyhow, stay tuned, and we'll take you along the trip. We're going to get you some footage tomorrow, and I hope you guys enjoy the trip, and we'll see you soon. Good morning, everybody. So Bronk and I, we started our journey down south. We just left Dogtown Marina here in Evansville, and we are heading south on the Ohio River. Things are going good this morning. We had a major thunderstorm and heavy rain last night, early up until this morning, but things are going well, and got a little sunshine. And then later on this afternoon, we're going to have a little bit more storms. But hopefully we're going to be south of the John T. Meyer Lock and Dam, and we'll be getting things cleared and heading down to Golconda. So join us today, and hope you enjoy. We'll see you. Heading up to the John T. Meyer Dam, about 48 miles by river, nautical miles south of Evansville. Getting ready to lock through. Got Veronica on the bow, and we've got our fenders out. And we're getting ready to drop us down and finish up the second leg of our day. Another 50 miles after this dam, and we're going to get to Galconda this evening. So everything's going well. So hang tight. So Veronica, she is my first mate and first mate deckhand. Done a wonderful job. A little hot today, but anyhow, we're in this lock chamber. Shut the door behind us. John T. Myers. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Shawneetown Bridge. Illinois. Old Shawneetown, Illinois. The old Marinette's chugging along now. I'll tell you what, he's doing great. It is doing fantastic. Well, this is going to be the third big thunderstorm that hits us today. It is getting ready to get with it. Tell you what, if you don't have radar, you definitely need to get avionics, because I tell you what, when you can't see nothing, at least you got something to go by. And I know the buoys out there are not exactly right in this spot, but let me tell you, when you can't see, you can at least follow your navionics if you don't have a radar. So very, very, very helpful. And it's not very much for a year's subscription. If you do any type of boating, especially on the big waters or rivers, when you're gonna have to definitely watch for buoys in shallow areas, definitely get it. It is well worth it. No, it's not raining. It's not raining at all. Got some hail. is about 8.5 miles per hour or 7.5 knots. We are going to Galconda Marina for tonight. That's going to be our first leg of our 155-mile trip, and we are headed down to the southern part of Kentucky Lake, where this old Marinette's going to be moored up for many years because we plan on keeping her. So everybody, I want to say thanks. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and in the next day, maybe we're supposed to have some strong storms. There's going to be a big cold front move through tomorrow. We may wait until Saturday, but we're going to finish up our second part of our long journey. We cranked out a lot of miles this day. Started out major thunderstorm this morning that put us back about 1 hour. Didn't get to leave till about 7 o'clock. Then it hit almost 100 degrees today with massive humidity. And then we hit 3 more major thunderstorms with hail. So it's been an exciting day, but we've made it to our first location, and it was a great time. And it was a great time with my wife over there, because she was a great second captain, because she allowed me to get a little rest. And let me tell you, she can drive a boat. So everybody, thanks a lot, and we'll catch you on part 2 of the transit of our new Marinette to our new mooring place. Catch y'all later. Hey, God bless.